Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Janice. So for today's video, we are going to make club sandwich homemade style. So in our club sandwich, we need eggs, tomatoes, lettuce, and we need mayonnaise, of course bread, and we need some turkey ham, or you can use chicken breast as well if you want, but for me, I prefer to use turkey ham. So if you like this video, just keep on watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So let's start the video. So these are all the ingredients that we are going to use for today. So we have here cheddar cheese sliced, mayonnaise, 1 piece of egg, we have butter, some iceberg lettuce, tomatoes, and turkey ham. So let's start our cooking. So now let's cut the tomatoes with a cut slice. So it doesn't fall on the sandwich. So you can cut it as thin as much as you can. Okay, that's it. So this is the thickness of the tomato. So now you can take a pan, oil, make it hot. Once it's hot, you can put some oil in it, or butter as well if you want, but I prefer to use oil. And then let's gonna make omelette. So we're gonna pour here the beaten eggs. And now it's hot, so I can add my chili. So I don't want sausage, and this can be melt because the egg is hot. So I just ate 2 slices of cheese because I like cheesy sandwich. And let it melt. Alright, it's here. Omelette with cheese sandwich. Okay, so now let's take 3 pieces of bread. So we have bread, and then we put some butter on it. You add some butter. For me, I prefer to put butter both sides because it's more delicious and it's more crispy and crunchy. So we can grill our bread. So let's grill both sides. This is our grilled bread. It's nicely grilled with all the grill marks. In this bread, we can add mayonnaise. Let's add the mayonnaise and let's assemble the sandwich. Take a knife and apply the mayonnaise in the first layer of the sandwich. You can apply the mayonnaise. Make sure it will occupy all the surface of the bread. Then it's more tasty and creamy. Or you can use a spread like a cocktail sauce mix of tomato ketchup and mayonnaise. And if you want spicy, you can add some chili or chili powder. And then the second one is good with our hand. So this is turkey ham, and we can add tomatoes, on the top of the ham, and some lettuce, For me, I like lettuce, so I put a little bit more. And then now you can go for the next layer. So in the next layer, we can put one more bread. And then we will put some spread here on top, little bit outside of the bread, so it's more tasty. And then now you can put your egg omelette sandwich. So we call it is club sandwich. Layer of ham, tomatoes, lettuce, and egg and cheese. And now let's get our sandwich. So first you need to put stick, then it's easy for you to cut. So we will cut it into triangle. So hold it both sides and then you can cut slowly until it will cut nicely. So as you can see, this is ham, tomatoes, lettuce, and then one more layer. This is egg and cheese. Alright, so we can eat as well with chips or French fries.